So this week is all about Last Christmas. I think you've guessed it. Yes, this week is week 10 and we're going to be learning Wham! Last Christmas on 2 strings. Welcome back to Guitar with me, where I teach guitar for beginners the easy way. In this week we are learning Last Christmas by Wham! This is a classic Christmas song and as Christmas approaches I think this is a very fitting one to do. So let's get straight to it. So first of all I will play through the melody. So this melody is on 2 strings and it starts on the 5th fret of the B string. So this is string number 2 from the top. So I'll call out the numbers as we go. So it starts on 5, and we go down to number 3. And after number 3, we're going to be going down to the 2nd fret on the G string. So best way to sort of transition between these 2 strings, if you use your 3rd finger to start on the 5th fret of the B and then slide down to the 3rd fret, so like this. Because then what you can do is use your middle finger to reach over to the 2nd fret of the G. So 5, 5, 3, and then 2. And then what we want to do with our 3rd finger again on the B string is slide up to the 5th fret. So like this. So slowly, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5. And then we want to go up to number 7. Then slide back down to fret 3. So it sounds like this. And then we want to go to the 2nd fret again with your 2nd finger. So, and then back up to number 5, to number 7, to number 3 again. This time we want to do open B to the 2nd fret, to the 3rd, back to the 2nd, and then open. So the whole thing should sound like this. So that's the first part. The second part, 7 to 5. So 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5. And then we're sliding down to number 3, to number 2. So it sort of alternates between fret 3 and fret 2 on the B string. And then we're going to finish on the 2nd fret of the G. So as always, just remember to take things slow, really focus on your finger placement, and this is quite a good one for sliding up the strings as well. So if you take it nice and easy and not go at it too hard, then it should be fine. So as a bonus for this song, I thought I'd show you the chords. Be D major, then it's going to be on to B, then you want to do E minor, and then A major. And that is the song. Practice challenge. This week you want to play for 5 minutes a day the melody of Wham! Last Christmas. Take it nice and easy, follow along slowly, and also feel free to give the chords a go as well. Please like and subscribe if you like the video and you find it useful, and I'll see you next week for week 11 of the Christmas challenge.